Welcome to Vintage Mobile Phone Reviews. Today we're going to take a look at the Nokia 2720 Fold, which was released in 2009. Weighing in at just over 90 grams, the 2720 used the usual mini SIM and had dimensions of 93 by 46 by 17.9 millimeters. The 2720's display consisted of a resolution of 120 by 160 pixels, including within that 65,000 colours capability. Wasn't the best screen that I've ever seen, did feel a little bit on the small side. One of the cons for the 2720 was the fact that it didn't have a card slot and therefore internally only had 9 meg of memory. No selfie camera, however it did come equipped with a 1.3 megapixel main camera and was also video capable. As you can see, the handset did come with some games already installed, messaging through email, MMS and of course SMS. There was a WAP browser and was Java driven, which included MP3, MP4 player, voice memo and predictive text input. Battery standby time of up to 430 hours and talk time of around 5 hours. All in all, not a bad little handset. It did come equipped with Bluetooth, however there wasn't any LAN of course or GPS and certainly no 3.5mm jack. I'd like to take this opportunity to thank you once again for coming visiting me, Alan, at Vintage Mobile Phone Reviews. If you enjoyed the video, please like and subscribe.